How I mayonnaise my chicken wings for my children, my kids. So this is how you're going to be seeing how I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. So this is my bowl, and I'm going to add this. This is my chicken. This is all my chicken ingredients. So I'm actually oh yeah, I think it's okay. I add. So next, I'm going to add this next. I'm using this this is stop cube, so I'll add little, which is like their own law. I'll add my black pepper, then add my salt, so I'm going to add my garlic, so I have in here my garlic already, so I'm going to add it my fresh lemon juice. After that, I'll add my olive oil. Next, I'm going to add in my, you all know this, my bay leaf. So I'm adding it. You can use it for a jollof rice. I'm usually using it for this. So I'm going to stir. You see how it looks like. So after then, I'll transfer it inside my bowl. So I put it here. I don't want to. Then I'm going to stir together. So this video is just to show you that you can prepare your chicken wings all by yourself, for your family, for the kids, especially the kids. They love this with Irish potato. So this video is all about showing you how I marinate my chicken wings for my family. So I'm going to leave it for like 30 good minutes. You can leave it up to an hour, and after then you put it for your grill. I might maybe this one, so I'm using oven. You can see this is how I usually marinate my chicken wings, and it's really nice. You can see, you can leave it for a while. The same thing goes to if you want to marinate your maybe your cow meat or your steak. You can add this, leave it for a while, like 30 good minutes, and after then you place it in your oven for grilling. So this is not the very first time I'm doing this. I've been doing this chicken wings all by myself, and this is the best ingredient ever for chicken. I used to You can only get this in Turkish shop. That is where I got this. I got this, and this one is for my, I told you I want to make I wanted to prepare this what they call it, bolognese. So this is for my arc flash bratin. So I use this, okay? Yeah. And this is really amazing. I started using this, so I think it's wrong. Okay. I started buying this now, because my sister-in-law introduced this thing to me. So ever since then, okay, this is the second time. I'm going to show you. I'm a fan of our own Nigerian now. Okay, yeah, which is called seasoning. And she was telling me, give it a try. I should try it. I bought this thing too. Let me show you one. This is the first one. I'm just opening it. I said, let me just give it a try. So I'll show you the second one that is still here. It's still packed. Look at it. This one is the one that I opened. This one is still. So I just said, okay, let me give it a try. Yeah. So I'm going to leave it and cover it with folio, with some foil, and leave it for like good 30 good minutes. After 30 minutes, then I can just like place this in my oven to grill. And I'm going to be doing, this is just for dinner for my kids, my children. They love this. They love chicken wings. But do it by yourself. I just want to see and show you. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.